you are going to love the 2017 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.